guys, welcome to but this is the first Minecraft game. We're doing it with Paulachan. Where's Paulachan? Here, but her name is Furious Glade.
Yeah, my name is Furious Glade in Minecraft.
You can check out Paulachan's channel, guys. She's my sister. You can check out her channel as well. So, what we're gonna do is a build battle.
Can we turn this to survival?
But this isn't creative.
Oh, okay.
You wanna sleep first? Yeah. We'll sleep first, guys.
Oh.
My lovely home.
Oh, your lovely home.
Okay, so we have a small container here, which we're gonna pick. Who goes first? Me or you?
Both of us get.
No. One person gets. You go first.
Oh, yeah.
You must. Okay, so he's not looking. What is it? A robot!
A robot! I don't know how
robot!
Oh my god, I don't know.
Okay, so...
Oh, wait. Look. Wait. Your back is a Nike.
Yeah.
You have a Nike. You're wearing a Nike shirt. Okay, I'm gonna be looking for
a
a spot.
So you check what you're gonna get.
Oh my gosh, I don't know how to do a robot.
There's no blue here. Blue! I need a blue!
The most common colors for a robot is red, blue, black, or white.
Yeah. I'm not gonna do blue. I'm gonna do I'm going to do
I don't know how to do it.
Yeah. Okay. I'll start. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you?
3,
oh, you're there.
5.
So I'm just gonna start now. I'm just gonna place it near the house.
So I don't know how to do this.
Just do this, I guess. Okay, like that. And then go up like this. I'm just doing like Dan TDM style. If you guys have watched Dan TDM, he's good at crafting stuff, making stuff, building stuff. Okay. Okay. Yes, this is good.
I don't know how to do this. I'm like making something. Oh my god, what are you doing?
What?
I see it.
It's not yet done. Needs more stuff to it.
Oh my gosh, it's too far from each other.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, this is hard!
I know. Okay. So just need to do this. Okay. Whoa. What's wrong with my robot?
That's what I asked you. I was like, what the heck?
I'll just cut off this. Cut this one off. Whoa, that was a lag. There we go. Now that's better.
I'm having a hard time. Like,
okay.
How do I do this?
So, do this. There. That's a robot. And then it will be like this. No.
It's hard.
This. Oh, I already placed that. And then it's like a cute robot. Here. There.
I still made the feet. Look at mine. It only has the feet. Wait, I don't know what to do with the What the heck?
You have boots.
My boots.
Boots. Wait, this is how I'm gonna do mine. There we go.
Oh my god.
There we go.
I don't know.
There we go, yo.
How do I make like a thingy?
Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. What happened to my robot?
What happened to mine?
Okay, mine's good.
Mine's bad.
Just needs his little pants. There we go. And then he's naked. He's like a boy robot. Alright, Darth
one?
Vader robot.
I'm not yet
Kylo
even
Ren.
done. I'm not even halfway.
I'm just gonna make these shorts green. He's a boy robot, okay?
Mine is gonna be a boy also.
Mine's a boy. What? Oh well. Where was that? Oh yeah, it was here. Green. Ah. Okay. I didn't actually. Oh, I didn't set the timer.
Oh.
Oh.
It doesn't matter what time.
Okay, there. A boy robot. There, that's nice. Does it need hair? No, robots don't have hair.
Heck? Robots do not have hair.
What happened to this?
What?
Look at my robot. Mine's just so simple.
I'm trying to make mine like a fat robot. Oh wait, no.
It's intestines. My robot's just
Simple.
simple.
I thought it would
But
be
it
like.
still looks
I
awesome.
thought this is like a contest.
Yeah,
Then why aren't you making yours Fabby?
it is Fabby. We'll just check on who wins.
Yeah. Okay.
I know! I'm gonna place like an adapter to its right to its butt.
What the heck?
Butt cheeks. Okay, this one's the close. Oh, it's like it's pooping!
Yeah. Wait.
Go. This is a contest. Break that. There.
4 and 4. Okay.
There we go. And so sorry guys if this isn't in PC. We know it's in PE. But that's actually just okay with us guys. So hopefully you like this challenge because we might just do more of this. There, an adapter. Yeah. Oh, it's like Superman. My robot's Fabby. I love it. Robot. Robot. What does a robot have? A car!
What?
Okay, so robot has been picked. Now I'm gonna pick later when she's done. Man, you're really taking time.
Yeah, because I want to win.
Robot. I'm gonna go to the nether and wait for you there. No. I'm just gonna go to the nether.
Okay.
And then let's see
Try
if you'll
to
be
let
fun.
the people explore the nether.
No,
while
why?
waiting for me.
Why? Okay, so this is where we go to the nether. Then the staircase. There, the nether.
The nether.
Oh, I lost the way home.
Did you?
Yeah. I did lost the way home.
What is mine?
I really lost the way home.
Oh, that's sad.
You're crazy. You're insane. There. Thought I really lost it forever.
Oh, that was sad.
Ah! No! Why am I breaking the obsidian? There's obsidian in the nether, you know.
Of course there is. Oh my gosh.
Why? Oh yeah, I'm flying. I'm so stupid.
You are.
Shut up! It must be finished.
Yeah.
Are you finished?
No, I'm sorry.
Are you finished? Oh, mine's lagging.
Why?
Okay, I'm back. Where am I? Oh, there I am. Oh my god. That mine was gonna lag.
Why does Minecraft keep scaring you?
I don't know. They're not scaring me. Are you done?
Almost. I'm doing the head now.
What is this, Big Hero 6?
Yeah.
Baymax! You inspired her, Baymax. Oh, that's the eyes.
No.
Oh, that's a nose.
No.
That's a creeper face.
No.
What is it? That's a mouth.
Yeah.
Smiley face. It's getting dark. Oh my god, from day to night you've been creating that. You only got 1 minute left.
What?
Yeah. That's
Not
all
too
you've
bad.
got. I'm counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Is the head too big?
7, yes, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Is the
12,
head big? Wow.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21,
Did you get in water?
22, nope, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, got 30 seconds left, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40,
Wait, I didn't make the...
41, 42, 43, 44,
It's really stressing.
45, 46, 47, 48, that's okay, 49, 50, 51, 52,
Wait,
53,
how much was in the other side?
54, 55, 56, 54, 57, 58, 59, 60. Time's up. Time's up.
I just needed to take out one block.
Okay, guys,
Wow.
we're just gonna sleep and then we're gonna show you.
Mine is so horrible.
There's a lot of sleeping in this game. Come here. Faster.
Sorry. Mine was so freaking big and like the arms are like slucky.
Lucky, that's not even a word.
I know.
Turn on the fan. Okay. So this is mine with an adapter and its cool looking head. And this one is Paulachan.
Wow, mine looks so cute. Like the arms. Bro, wow.
Okay, guys, comment down below who won this one, the robot. And it's my turn. We're just gonna do 2 rounds for every episode, guys. So, my turn.
So yeah, in this part, remember to comment who won. Oh my gosh. A bed!
No, not yet, not yet.
Yo, you got a bed.
Fine, a bed.
Okay, we're gonna be
Fine.
making a bed.
Making a
Yes.
bed.
This is dream come true because I've been wishing to make a bed.
I didn't.
I did.
I didn't.
Okay.
I need a white.
A white.
I'll just do fleshy.
Okay.
I'll do this red.
Wow.
I'm gonna do it next to the portal because the portal needs to sleep. Oh, I will need brown. Brown.
What will I be doing?
I thought you've been thinking about it.
Yeah.
So you must know.
Yeah. I should.
So is yours gonna be a giant bed? Mine, yes. It's easier if you just place a bed down.
Yeah.
But I'm not doing that.
It's
I wanna
cheating.
win. That's not cheating.
It is.
You can do that, but you're not gonna win.
Yeah, of course.
Of course.
Who would?
I don't know. Mine's just simple stuff. And yours is all, ah! Okay. Now that was just a weird laugh. That's even weirder. Even weird. That's like Chica.
Chica and Five Nights at Freddy's.
Duh, of course they know what's that.
Not all people.
So this will be like a McDonald's thing.
Why?
Because my bed. Mine's like McDonald's. See? McDonald's.
Why is it so big?
Why?
It's just like so small.
Don't hate. Don't judge. I didn't even judge when your robot was ginormous. Okay?
Okay.
No cheating.
Why?
Wait, you just cheated. Now we can see our... It's allowed if we see in our screens because this is not like Hunger Games. Hunger Games, awesome. Okay. Just need to build this. 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 This is so hard. Oh God. Okay. Just need to place it.
Wow.
Here.
I'm kidding.
Oh, there's so many lags.
Yeah, I know.
I'm just gonna do this quick. Like seriously do this quick. Red pillows. Okay, red pillows. There. Some red pillows. Make a blanket, which is still gonna be red. Okay. I'm almost done. How about you?
Yeah.
I'm already like halfway there. Okay. Oh, the door. Whoops. Okay. I'm done. How about you?
Wait. I ain't done.
You must be done by now.
Almost.
Oh.
What the heck? Can't see.
You always finish last. Always. Okay. That's my bed. Oh my God, what is this? No, that's a nice bed.
What the frick?
Okay.
Oh my God, I did not see that.
This is beautiful.
What the
Okay, so this is her bed, and then this is my normal king-sized bed.
Wow, that actually looks good.
So comment down below, guys, who won for the bed?
Your bed looks hard. Mine.
So
Mine looks.
subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram. Watch Paulachan's channel, and thank you.